By necessity, each circle or sphere possesses a center or middle point, very same point in which it first appeared. No point, no expansion, no circle. So how do we follow the one's interplay all the way to its end? Or to be more precise, how does the intellect come into being? Plotinus writes, "Everything moving has necessarily an object toward which it advances, but since the Supreme One can have no such object, we may not ascribe motion to it. Anything that comes into being after it can be produced only as a consequence of its unfailing self-intention. In turning toward itself, the One sees. It is this seeing that constitutes the intelligence." We may begin by locating the One and representing its unaltering presence as a point. The symbolic circumradiation around the point may be compared to the brilliant light encircling the sun and ceaselessly generated from that unchanging substance. The circle here represents the One's all-encompassing potential, or undiminishable potentiality. The direct channel of your vision, which engages the One, constitutes the intention or the imaginal line between you and it. This emanation or bonding represents the line which proceeds from the unchanging core of the One, which is the generative power of all there is. This line represents the intellect, or what Plotinus calls a single thread uniting all existence. Now it just so happens that as the generative power moves the line into formation, the intellect looks back upon its source, the One, and begets in its likeness intervals along the way. These intervals represent form or number. Such is the intellectual force to which all existence owe their life. The next number to proceed after 4 is the middle number, and here it acts as a mirror or a reflection of sorts, that which continues to emanate on the other side of section 5 appears exactly the same as the former, but in reverse order. The forms, or numbers along the line, serve as the referential, contemplative basis for all further existence.